Hello everyone, welcome back to Cogent TV. We really appreciate being able to reach out to you this way, and we've got yet another packed episode this time. Firstly, just to remind you, if you'd like an e-brochure on Cogent Technology, you can download one from our website. So take a look, there's lots of useful information, including how working with Cogent benefits you. In this episode, we're back with another design tip, this time covering selective wave soldering. Nigel's with the sales team at the trade show Medica in Germany, and we have our first appearance from Aaron Cross, our quality manager, with a heads up on forthcoming changes to ISO standards. So let's get started, and it's over to Nigel at Medica.
Hi there, it's Nigel Slater. I'm here on our stand at the Medica 2014 show in Dusseldorf. This is the biggest medical device exhibition in Europe. 4,500 exhibitors, and over the next 4 days we're expecting 100,000 visitors, so it is quite a mammoth spectacle when you see it. We've had some brilliant first day, met some existing customers, had excellent conversations with them. It's always good to catch up, and some exciting new prospects as well, so we're really looking forward to the next 3 days and whatever that might bring. We'll definitely be at the Medica show next year, so if you haven't been able to catch us here this year, maybe we'll see you then. In the more near future, we've got Farnborough show coming up. That's the Southern Manufacturing Show, and that's in February, so you can catch up with us there too. As well as promoting the company's services to the medical device sector for manufacturing, we're also promoting news of a project that we're involved with. It's an EU-funded project under the Horizon 2020 programme, and it's called Sleep Care Baby, and it's a project aimed at reducing sudden infant cot death. Very exciting project, and we're looking forward to the outcome of that. Anyway, that's it from me for now.
Thanks Nigel, it's great to be part of manufacturing in Britain today. Now, if your product requires ISO 13485 or ISO 9001, the next lot is going to be right up your street. We have Aaron with a first of a series of features aimed at enhancing your knowledge of quality management and standards as we see them at Cogent.
Hello, I'm Aaron Cross and I'm the Quality Manager here at Cogent Technology. Now, I'm fresh back from the stand at Medica in Germany, where I spoke to a lot of new and existing customers. And if you took the time to come and speak to us, thank you very much. Now at Cogent, we've had our ISO 13485 certification since 2006, and it's truly embedded into the way that we work. Our manufacturing requirements planning system builds in the compliance we require at every stage of the manufacturing process, and it ensures that your product is built to your specifications and to your required deadlines. With ISO 9001 changing to the new 10-part Annex XL structure, and 13485 staying with the existing 8-part structure, but putting a greater emphasis on validation and risk assessment, it's an important time to ensure you have a robust but yet flexible quality management system. Did you know that the FDA's Voluntary Audit Report Submission Programme allows companies whose accredited body is acting under one of the founding members of the Global Harmonisation Task Force to submit their ISO 13485 audit reports for the last 2 years, which the FDA will then use as part of their risk assessment to determine if the company can be removed from the FDA's planned work for the next year. If you would like more information or to discuss further the strength of our 13485 certification or our quality management system in general, then please feel free to contact me, download our e-brochure from the website, or watch the other Cogent TV episodes. I look forward to seeing you at the Southern Manufacturing and Electronics Show in February. Now it's back over to Lucy, and I look forward to talking with you again.
We'll be hearing from Aaron again on quality in the future. A little bird tells me the next lot's going to be about quality training. If you've got any questions for Aaron, you can catch him at the Southern Electronics Show, or you can email him directly on the screen below. It's design tip time. Some of our viewers have given feedback to Cogent. They really enjoyed this lot. This week it's all about selective wave soldering. Okay, let's see if we can save some more assembly time at the design stage.
Welcome back to Cogent Technology TV. In this episode we're going to be having a look at one of our relatively new processes, which is our automatic selective soldering machine, our Ursa EcoSelect 2. Our EcoSelect 2 soldering machine gives us many benefits over hand soldering. The availability of the precision flux application gives us improved wetting and solderability of the PCB, whereas opposed to our wave soldering process, the precise application of flux removes the need for cleaning of the PCBs in most cases. The preheater in the EcoSelect 2 is very comparable with the preheaters in our wave soldering machines and allows for the boards to be preheated. This is especially helpful when soldering boards with many ground planes, and in some cases we've found that boards which we are incapable of hand soldering can easily be soldered using the EcoSelect 2. The soldering nozzle on the EcoSelect 2 also has many benefits above and beyond those of the nozzles on our wave soldering machines. One notable benefit is the inert gas nitrogen ring, which allows for the nozzle to be kept clean of dross build-up and also allows improved wetting of the solder to the PCB. Unfortunately, there are still some constraints which prevent us from being able to solder all PCBs on our EcoSelect 2. Those being the size of the nozzle and its availability to get into the joints that need to be soldered. To be able to allow the nozzle to get into the solder joints to be soldered, there needs to be some clearance around the pads of the PCB to allow for the size of the nozzle. As our smallest nozzle is 6mm in diameter, that means there has to be a clearance around the solder joints of at least 6mm, otherwise the solder will come into contact with other components and may cause damage to those components surrounding the board, or even in worst case damage the soldering nozzle itself. By taking into account the size of the soldering nozzle and its required clearances during the design phase of your PCB, you'll be able to make sure that even the more complicated boards that you design are suitable for soldering on our selective soldering machine. Some details of the clearances required are available from us if you contact us directly, or if you look on our website in our manufacturing data requirements documents, there's further information there as well. Thank you very much for watching our video today, and I'm sure we'll be showing you many more of our processes in future videos. Thank you.
Thanks, Michael. Hope you guys found useful pointers in there. That selective wave soldering is proving a real enhancement to the production team's capabilities, which reminds me, you can download Cogent's total capability statement from this website should you need to see a full list of processes at our disposal. As I've said before, the best way to appreciate the benefits of working with Cogent is to come and visit the team here. You're always welcome, so contact the sales team to arrange a visit. Alternatively, you can catch up with us on stand F73 at the Southern Electronics Show this coming February. See our website for details. Take care of yourself, and I'll see you next time.